Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox a great Dell mid-level kind of laptop. By mid-level I mean it's a great laptop for everyday use. It's Inspiron 15, so it's kind of basic, but you don't overpay for like some fancy plastic and stuff. Carbon black color, 3525, 15.6 Full HD screen, so it's pretty big screen. Ryzen 7 5800, this is very good, and for YouTube or like any basic needs, it's gonna be like fast. You can open many windows, 16 GB of RAM, good enough. 512 SSD, it's not 256, it's 512. And AMD Radeon graphics, which will be great for like the basic games like Minecraft or Roblox and Fortnite and stuff like that. HDMI, USB-C, SD card reader. Gonna open the box. This is the box. Dell shipped me like this with a label over here. This is a seal here. This is the other side. This is the bottom. Bottom unfortunately is not sealed or anything. That's the way Dell makes it. Inside, here we have the laptop and here we have the charger. 65-watt charger, Dell. This part you can change it if you go to like Europe, UK or Australia. You can change this part and use with this. Warranty papers. And that's the laptop. Comes in a simple plastic like this with a simple seal. And here we have the laptop, carbon black. It feels like very cheap plastic. Leaves fingerprints. We have here USB-C, and it looks like it's already like dirty or like scratched a bit, but that's the way it comes out from factory. USB-A, HDMI. Here we have the charging port, nothing on the back. SD card, another USB-A, and headphone input. So you have everything. The back is kind of dusty from the packaging. Have serial number there. This part feels nice. Cheap plastic. Ryzen 7 5000 series. It is a very good CPU. It's comparable to Intel 11's Gen i7. The Radeon graphics is also pretty good, I would say, for integrated graphics. The good thing about this CPU, Ryzen 7 5000 series, is that it's often priced kind of low. It's often priced similar to Intel i5, which will be slower. It's definitely priced lower than i7 11th gen, which it competes with. So it's kind of sort of a better CPU for the money. The buttons feel better plastic than like here or like on the side, but still feel kind of basic, which it is. It is a basic laptop. We have numeric button here, turn on button here. You may accidentally press it. At least it's not somewhere here near backspace or enter. Buttons are really easy to press. Webcam. The bezel is average size. As for design, to be honest with you, I like HP and Lenovo more. If we compare the basic laptops of these brands. It's a great computer for the price. You buy it on sale for in 500 something, it'll be great. You can use it for any basic needs. CPU is fast, 16 GB of RAM is good enough for pretty much everything, and 512 SSD, like everything. The specs are really good in this computer. If you need it, if it's not for gaming or like heavy Photoshop, it's gonna be great.